Keep putting them on. You'll make a pretty bracelet. Great job.
Did you get it? I lost it.
Oh, you lost the bracelet? That's great. Look at it. It's really starting to come together. Do you know what that's called? It's called beading.
Beading?
Because you're putting beads on something to make a pretty bracelet. You're doing a very good job.
Wait till Mom, this is gonna be, wait till Mommy sees her bracelet I'm making.
Oh yeah? You're making it for Mom?
And all I gotta do is glue it. Let's wait to glue it in a circle for Mom.
Okay.
When Mommy gets home, let's glue it. Ow!
Yeah, there's a little bitty piece of wire in the middle. You gotta be careful. Are you doing a pattern, or are you just picking colors?
I think I am making a pattern.
You are?
Green, green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. Yellow, yellow. What comes next, Dad? You think green?
Sure.
Because green goes after yellow.
Oh yeah? Is that the order of your pattern?
Yes. Now what? What do you think goes after green? Yeah.
What do you think?
Look at on here. It goes yellow, green, red. Yellow, red, green. Yellow, red, green.
So,
Yellow, yellow, green. What comes next, Dad?
you think red?
Yeah. Goes to the Mommy sees her friendship bracelet.
It's a friendship bracelet?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Who told you about those?
Well, that Caroline, their friend told me about it.
Oh.
He gave me a bracelet.
Oh, Torelli. Yeah, that's your cousin too.
You
know,
wait.
like...
Now I got lots of cousins.
Yes, you do.
Now, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow.
All right.
Almost done, Daddy.
Okay.
Let's go be full with these things.
All right.
Let's dump the whole thing out.
All right, I guess so. Be careful.
I'm going to do it on here. We got one, Dad.
I'll get them so Linus doesn't chew them up.